Are you like me? Did you end up with a bunch of commercial email accounts, and some of them you really should be checking every day, but it's just such a pain to go into all these different individual email clients and do that? Let's integrate email accounts together in one interface in our mobile device. So this is a nice little coincidence. Here I am on my iOS device, and note that I've got two email clients in the dock, and this one in the very center is the Gmail client, and sure enough, this is an old client that's not even available anymore. So another reason we would want to think about integrating our email into the native client right next to it is I don't have to worry about all those different clients and their updates and all that kind of stuff. So we don't go into Mail in order to configure this. In fact, in settings, we don't even go into the Mail category there. Instead, we go to Passwords and Accounts. Notice in the accounts, I have the native iCloud account that I'm getting email from. We're going to add an account, and look at how they list your major commercial providers of email. This is wonderful. And when I click Yahoo, all I need to do is fill in my Yahoo account name. That's going to be my email address, and that is yourtechauthor@yahoo.com. And then choose Next, and we'll enter the password. That should be it for the credentials that we need to worry about in order to integrate Yahoo Mail right into the native client. If you entered in the username and password credentials correctly, you should be presented with this screen, which is just options on what you're going to sync from this account. So I'll choose everything in my case and say save, and the account is added. And we get confirmation there on the passwords and account screen. And if we go down and we open our mail client, there is Yahoo nestled in right next to my native Apple Mail. And I can see that we've even got a test message indicating that we have a new sign-in on iOS. So that is wonderful. I had emptied this account of just a ton of spam before this demonstration. That's why there's only one email in there. Now, it's great that that was so simple and so automated, but one of the challenges with automation like that is if something goes wrong, we don't really know what it is that we need to configure. I mean, they really didn't give us the opportunity to configure anything. Always begin your troubleshooting, I believe, on the commercial email account settings. Follow me as we do that. So I'm going to go up to Yahoo, and if it was not working, I can almost bet that if we go into the account information and we go to like account security, there's going to be something we needed to have set in here that is not set properly. And in fact, allow apps that use less secure sign-in. If this was not enabled, this demonstration would not have functioned nearly as smoothly as it did. So this would cause failure in the demonstration that I did. It's really great when stuff just works. In this nugget, we've seen how easy it can be to integrate one of the big commercial email providers with the client in your mobile device. I hope this has been informative for you, and I'd like to thank you for viewing.